Hey guys, so we're starting off with the wig already done. If you want to see a detailed tutorial on how I make my closure wigs, I will leave a link to that video up at the top of this one. And I'm gonna be real with you guys right now. This was my fourth time filming a video on this hair. The first time I did it, I tried to film a how to dye black hair red without bleach video, and it was a complete fail. But I will try to do that another day with some other hair because that really is a video I want to get out for you guys. Okay guys, so real quick I wanted to talk about the hair itself. Like I said, it is from Sunber hair and it's their Peruvian body wave. And when I first received the hair, well, first it took me about 3 days to get the package, which isn't long at all. And when I first received it, I was so excited to use it because it was some of the softest hair I'd ever felt, like literally. But unfortunately, after that whole dyeing process I did, that failed dyeing process, I lost some of the softness in the hair, especially in the ends. But it was okay for me because when I put that oil in it, I did get some of the softness back, but not in the ends. Like the ends were done for. I had to cut them, which you'll see later in the video. As far as tangling, I haven't been getting a lot, which is weird. I've only been getting like 2 snags here or there. And shedding, there wasn't a lot of shedding either, but I did get a lot after I cut the hair. Like I said, you'll see that later in the video. So all in all, this hair was really nice. I'm just sad that I couldn't keep it in its natural state. So like I said earlier, even after my whole process, my ends were still kind of dry. So right now I'm just getting real ratchet and I'm using my paper cutting scissors to cut this hair. And I tried to do it in like a blunt kind of cut, but I'm no professional. So it just came out how I wanted to come out. So I'm coming to you with a bald head now, and I did put some foundation on my wig cap, and I do that because your scalp is normally lighter than your skin, but my scalp isn't this light, if you can see that color. So I just put a little bit of foundation on it to make it fit better to my skin tone. So I think this is about where I want to put it. So now I'm just gonna take it back a little bit. So now I'm just trying to get any baby hairs out the way because those can be very annoying to deal with when you're trying to lay your wig. And I'm going to go straight into my glue. And for that today, I'm going to be using my Gorilla Snot. And I prefer this over Got To Be Glued because I've tried the Got To Be Glued, the black and the yellow bottle. And each time I tried it, I had crusty lace syndrome. Like, it was not cute, it was white and just not okay. But I've never had that issue with this, so yeah. So I just took a little bit on my finger and now I'm just gonna place it where I want it to go. Now I'm going back into my Got To Be Glued free spray, and I'm just gonna spray a little bit on top of that glue. And then I'm going to blow dry again on cool. Now I'm going back in with another layer of that glue, and for me 2 layers is all I really need, but if you feel like you have to do more, you know, do what you gotta do. Now one last time, I swear, we're gonna go in with the blow dryer. So you want to blow dry until your glue is kind of tacky. You don't want to over dry it because then the lace won't stick, but then you also don't want to under dry and have it be runny because then the lace won't stick. So the key is to make it kind of sticky, so when you touch it, your hand should kind of stick to it. So now I'm going to take my lace and I'm just going to place it on top of the glue. And to me, this is one of the most important steps because it is literally so annoying when you put it in the wrong place and you have to lift it up and put it somewhere else because it just gets messy and, like I said, annoying. And then I'm just going to take my comb and press the lace into that glue. So y'all already know what I'm doing now. I'm just laying that lace down with my scarf, and I'm gonna leave this on here for about 10 minutes, maybe 15 to 20, and I will be right back. Okay, this has been sitting on my head for like maybe 20 minutes now, so I'm just gonna take it off. So I'm just going to take a little bit of water on a Q-tip just to get up all that extra glue. So I'm not going to do baby hairs today just because, one, I'm not good at them, and two, it's really not necessary to do baby hairs with every hairstyle, I feel like, but that's just me. You know, do what you want, of course. So I'm just going to jump into my favorite step, and I'm going to use my hot comb, and this is literally one of the best things I've ever spent my money on. It changed my wig game, okay, like literally. And it's an electronic one too, which is also good because that means it just plugs into my wall. I don't have to put it on a stove or nothing like that. So I'm gonna take my hair, I'm gonna put the teeth of the comb in there, and as I go down, I'm gonna turn it like that. Ah, I burnt myself. And then if I want my wig to be like extra super duper ridiculously flat to my head, I go back in with my free spray. I swear, like, this is a staple in my wig routine, okay? I use it for so many different things, it's ridiculous. And I'm just gonna take a little bit and spray it on the roots of the hair. And then I'm gonna take my smoothing brush and just brush down like that. For the last step of my whole process, I'm going to go into my Black Radiance contour palette and use this middle shade right here. I'm just going to place that on the lace just to blend it in a little better with my skin. One thing real quick, I don't think I mentioned it in the video, but I'm getting a lot of flyaways with this hair. I don't know if y'all can see them, but you probably can. I tried to spray hairspray and stuff on it to get it to go down, but it's still not going down, so I don't know what's up with that, but yeah. But anyways, guys, I hope this video was simple enough for you to follow if you are a beginner to this, and if you did enjoy and if you learned a little something, don't forget to leave your girl a like, and then go ahead and share and subscribe, and then go ahead and leave me a comment down below telling me what kind of video you want to see from me, you know, as far as hair and makeup and all that. And I even want to start doing like some challenge videos, so leave me like challenge videos that you guys might want to see for me too. Like, let's get weird, okay? Of course, y'all, as always, I say in every single video, I will see you in my next one. Bye.